Do you have eczema or know somebody that suffers with eczema? I want you to watch this video. I bet you guys didn't know that eczema is actually an internal imbalance. So that means what you have going on inside of your body directly reflects to the flare that you have on the outside of your body. So what does that mean? That means that the things that you eat are causing your flares. The things that you're ingesting are causing your flares. The reaction that you see on the outside of your body is a reaction to your gut health. I know we've seen so many videos about gut health, but gut health also goes into the foods that we eat. So that is why I created this cookbook. Oh my gosh. If you have eczema, you need this cookbook. And let me show you why. Y'all, this cookbook has so many awesome recipes that will aid in your gut health, and they all taste delicious. You don't have to sacrifice flavor and taste just to have clear skin. We have buttermilk waffles, we have brownies, we have cookies, we have, look at that, y'all. All of these have ingredients that are going to heal your skin. So eczema friendly recipes that don't compromise on flavor. And the best thing about, in the back there is a daily food log, so you can see how much water you're taking in, what you ate for dinner, lunch, and breakfast, so that you can kind of pinpoint your flares. You also have a meal planner, you could do your groceries, and there's also an eczema approved food list at the end. Y'all, go cop this. It is on Amazon Prime, so you don't even have to wait that long to get it, and you can start enjoying meals and having clear skin again.